Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Zach with IT Career Questions. Today we're going to be unboxing the Synology DS1019 Plus, and we're going to talk a little bit about what we're going to do with this powerhouse. So stay tuned and enjoy. All right. So this is the Synology 1019 Plus NAS unit. As you guys can see, we got 5 bays here. And in this unit right here, we have 5 6TB IronWolf PRO NAS rated hard drives. This can be scaled up to 10 hard drives with an additional unit, the DX517, and we could really utilize a lot of storage by adding on that additional unit. But for me, I'm pretty sure that 30 terabytes is gonna be more than enough storage. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit more details on this unit, and then we're gonna talk a little bit about what we're actually going to utilize this unit for. So along with the 5 6TB hard drives, this thing is rocking 4 gigs of DDR3L memory. It's also rocking a quad-core 1.5 gigahertz processor. So this thing is a really good unit based on those specs alone. And if you guys look any more into this unit, you'll see a lot of people reviewing it for their Plex servers, and this thing is a powerhouse for Plex. So if you guys are looking to stream 4K video, another reviewer said that they were able to get 3 4K streams running from it. And for their 1080p streams, they were getting roughly 10 simultaneous streams at one time. So if you're looking for a great unit to host your Plex media, this is obviously going to be a force to be reckoned with in that area for sure. But what's also nice about the Synology unit is that you can host virtual machines from it. And that's going to be something that I will be utilizing this for very heavily. And it says on the Synology website that you can host up to 4 virtual machines from this thing. And Synology actually has an amazing UI. It's been quite a few years since I've actually gone into the Synology UI, and their Synology UI or operating system is definitely something that has been improved and is just really blown me away with all the options that you have within that UI. So on your first initial setup, you'll run through, get that all kind of set up, and then you can add additional types of applications and add-ons with that. You could throw in like PHP, you can use it as a Plex server as we talked about. Synology actually has their own virtual machine manager that you can install on this, so you can run those virtual machines from that. You can also run like Ruby on here. You can have like MariaDB, so you can have like a SQL server running from this, Active Directory server. The list really goes on. I'll kind of show you guys here on the screen. We'll be doing another video where we actually kind of go in depth and talk about setting up this unit for the first time and do more of an introduction to NAS and what you can find within having knowledge in NAS in a real world work environment. So stay tuned for that video. It'll be coming out down the road here. So we kind of talked about the DSM operating system / UI, really in depth. I think it's really easy to use, to set up, to secure, to allow remote connections. They really did a great job on that, and I definitely give Synology props for that. And if you guys have never heard of Synology, this is an amazing company. They're really primarily known for their NAS units, and they do a fantastic job of what they actually offer. So make sure you guys check out Synology, and we're gonna be doing more videos again where we talk about what we'll be utilizing this with. Again, we'll be putting virtual machines on here. We'll probably be running between 2 and 3, and we'll take up some of the bays for that. But I'm also gonna utilize this as some RAID storage. So we'll talk about setting RAID up within this unit, how that works, what it looks like, and how we're gonna utilize this for storage and for virtual machines. I'm really excited to kind of dig deeper into this and give you guys more information about it. But for now, we just want to do this quick unboxing and talk a little bit about what this kind of offers. And for the price of it, for what you get, it's definitely a force to be reckoned with, as we said earlier. So if you guys have any other comments, questions, concerns, be sure to hit me up in the comments below. I'd be happy to help you guys out any way that I possibly can. That's all I got for you guys today. As always, take it easy.